Hey, band families and students, welcome to your weekly update. The spring season is gonna be awesome.
Hope you all had a fantastic break. It is so great to be back in the band room.
Right before we left for break, our 7th and 8th graders had a totally incredible opportunity.
We hosted Mr. Spencer Martin, director of the University of Idaho Marching Band. Pretty cool, right?
What he shared is already shaping our sound as we jump into our brand new repertoire.
Okay, to keep that amazing momentum going, we are launching a new practice challenge.
Get ready for the Practice Peeps 2016 challenge for the entire month of April.
So what's the first goal? Practice for at least 20 minutes every single day.
And you'll need to do that for 15 days this month. It's all about consistency.
So how does it work? Students, just grab a practice log from Mr. Koval in class.
Families, here's how you can help. Find a consistent 20-minute window for practice each day.
Right, let's move on and see what every group is focused on right now.
As you can see, every single one of our amazing ensembles has a big goal.
And all this hard work leads right into this week's mission, playing tests. So listen up, 6th grade, you're on page 39. 7th and 8th graders, it's all about those scales.
Okay, looking ahead, let's get those calendars out for some really important dates.
Here are 4 huge upcoming events for April and May. You don't want to miss these. Let's wrap up with a thought that just perfectly captures what we're all doing here.
Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Let's have a fantastic week of making music. Rock on.